Okay, let's simplify this radical. It's a fourth root, so it's a little more work. I'll just do it all out so you can see all the steps here. Step 1, look at that 324. We're going to try to get a fourth root out. Now, if you had the square root of like 81, you know it's 9, because it's 9 squared. That's obviously not the case here. So I'm going to try to get 4 of something out of 324, or as close as I can to it. So 324, that's 3 times, 108. Yeah, let's forget about that 3 for a second. 108, is that 3 times 36? Yeah. And what do I have now? 6 times 6, I have, well, I could do 3 times 12, I guess, be just as easy. 3 times 12, what's that going to give me? 3 times 4, and I think I'm feeling pretty good about that, because I got the fourth root. So now I have 3 to the fourth power times 4. Makes sense, right? So now I'm going to rewrite this as a fourth root of 3 to the fourth power times 4 times u to the seventh times v to the fourth. Okay? Now I actually did the hardest part of the problem already. The rest is just kind of nothing. 4 goes into 4 once, so 3 hops out of jail. That 4 stays there. Right. 4 goes into 7 once. 1u hops out, 3 are left in jail. 4 goes into 4 once, that means 1v hops out. 3uv, fourth root of 4v to the third, or 4, what's that, a u? I don't know. But anyway, that makes sense, right? Next problem looks something like this. Where am I? Negative 8 cube root of, where am I? 162? 162, x to the seventh, y to the fourth. Okay, so let's say we had a problem like that. First thing I'm going to do now is look at that 162. The previous problem, we had a fourth root. We have a third, obviously, so let's just start thinking. Okay, that's the original. So 162, and I start breaking it apart. Oh, I guess I could do what? 2 times 81? Well, that's not bad. And then that is 9 times 9, and that is 3. I want to run out of room here, and I get 3. So this problem looks like it's 3 to the fourth times 2. So I'm going to rewrite it carefully. 8th root, and I get 3 to the fourth times 2, x to the seventh, y to the fourth. Okay, and I think you probably don't need me to do this, but I'll do it while I'm here. 3 goes into 4, 1. That means 1, 3 hops out of jail. So now I have negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. That leaves me with 1, 3 remaining. But that 2 has nowhere to go. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 goes into 7 twice. X squared, 1 remaining. 3 goes into 4 once. 1y, 1 remaining. We're good. That's all there is to it. Good job.